subscribe now.
What exactly happened?
Well, no, my brothers, it's the normal job, normal job. We got an intel that Chief Konta was about to be abducted, so immediately we swung into action and we embarked on a very fierce battle with the armed bandits. Then I was hit.
You see, I have said it before. And I will say it again. I don't like police work. I've never loved it and I will never ever love it. I told you there, Roland. Remember, I told you. I never supported him being a policeman. Look at the poor boy. Look at him. What if he had died?
Thank God he didn't die.
Why are you guys sounding like this?
You know my passion for this job.
See, listen, Solo, forget passion. Forget passion. There's so many other jobs that you could be passionate about. Are there no other jobs there? I don't like it.
It's a company security work. That one is still some, it's a security work.
I don't know why you guys are disturbing yourself. Nothing will happen to me. I mean, this is just part of the hazard included in the job.
So don't go there. Hazard of the job. So you decided to pick a job with hazard. We told you, especially myself, I told you then. So I told you that you can be a banker or any other profession that has got no hazard. You chose being a policeman. You chose death instead of life. Even when they gave you a promotion, I asked if they gave him extra bullets. You were there. You see that?
Harry, it's okay. Take it easy on him. He's injured, You shouldn't be shouting on him like that.
But he's our brother.
You say if you take a little rest, take a holiday, Go to London. I'll sponsor your trip.
No, I can't leave my job.
Huh?
You're a fool,
You can't leave
Just broke my heart. What I feel for you is true love, not fake love. How can you say that?
Prove it. Give me confidence, huh?
You, I know what you're talking about, and I am fully prepared for you. Rachel, money. Obi, take all of it. Everything I have belongs to you.
You see what I'm talking? Now I can confirm that we love this one.
Okay, and now that everything is going well, can you follow me to that place? You know now. Stop. Stop.
Now I can confirm that you love me. Not like that, you're stupid brother.
How can you compare me with that short gorilla? I am way better than him. Let's go now.
I'll see you tomorrow. Now I have a better.
Obi, are you sure? Are you sure? Hey, no problems. Tomorrow, I'll fire down. Obi, not even a butterfly on my cheek. Tomorrow.
How could this be? How possibly could this be? But I can swear that Harry and Roland were among the gang men because they look so much like them. How do I then explain that my own brothers are into criminal activities? But this gang of masked men are beginning to raise more havoc in this town than ever before. They have to be stopped. Yes. They have to be stopped.
You kept me waiting. Haven't you heard never to keep a lady waiting?
Baby, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. You know, what actually delayed me was that I went to the market to buy you all this. I first of all went to a Koka. They did not have these ones. I had to go as far as a Kenibo just to get all this for you.
You are a darling. You are a darling.
As a matter of fact, this is not all. No. There is actually more. Where this came from? Have you forgotten that I'm from a family of rich people? We are rich.
My heart is melting.
You shouldn't melt.
My heart is melting.
Bano.
Indeed, you're very generous. You're generous. Unlike that, you're stupid and stingy brother.
Are you still talking about that one?
That guy is stingy.
Are you still talking about that one? I've told you to stop talking about him. He's not a human being. He's abnormal. Have you seen a guy that wears cap all the time? Even when he's sleeping, he's wearing cap. A human being that wears cap all the time. He's sleeping, he's wearing cap. He wants to take his bath, he's wearing cap. Have you ever asked yourself, what is this guy covering with cap on his head? He's suffering from Wakelembawisi. That is what he's covering. A man that even when he's sleeping, he's wearing cap. Stop talking to him.
I will not talk.
I want to pay
I
him,
will not.
baby.
But him come this way.
You go the other side. That is it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll go my way now.
No God, no glory. No glory. No God, no glory. No God, no glory. No glory. No God, no glory. You dey hear me? You better fight for your glory. Righteous story.
Solomon,
You better fight for your glory.
I didn't know you were in the house.
Well, I came in an hour ago.
Yeah.
think I saw you when you came.
Yeah. If you don't mind, I would like to have a brief chat with you.
Okay.
You see,
What is it?
You see, there is this validation that is going on in the office right now, and we need to provide personal information about our families.
What kind of information?
Nothing serious. You see, I know what you people do for a living. I know you're into contract and importation, but I need specific details about what you do.
Okay, that's no problem. You're right. We're also into importation and supply of armored cables and general electrical materials. Yeah.
We also handle contracts for the Power Ministry, and we run a non-profit charitable organization for destitutes and children. See, we do a lot of things, so should I continue?
Why you talk like this? Solon will be dull boy now. Solon a sharp guy. You don't understand. Solomon, I hope the information you've gotten so far is enough for your validation.
It's alright.
Have you eaten?
No, come on, I'm fine.
So now you can now go ahead and do your revalidation, right?
Okay. I must commend the both of you. Thank you for your time.
Awa.
No God, no glory. No glory. No God, no glory. No God, no glory. No glory. No God, no glory. You dey hear me?
Rooming this
better fight
village
for your
like
glory.
loafers to stealing my money.
Write
Yeah.
your story.
Okay. Where is the money I kept in my room?
Better fight for your
5,000 naira.
glory.
Where is it?
Papa, wow. And you're asking me, Papa, am I a thief?
Eh?
Father, see, it's too early for all this. I don't have time for your wahala this morning. Please let me just be. I don't even know what you're talking about. I didn't even go into your note of taking your money. What's all this?
So who took the money? When did the money begin to develop wings? When did the money begin to develop wings? Walter! The one I kept in my room, it developed wings and flew away. You saw him over there? By the way, where's your brother?
I don't
That's
know
it,
where he is. I don't know where he is. Am I a skipper? I don't know where he is.
Come here. Come here.
Come on, Oko.
Where's my money?
Which money? Which
Which
money?
money? The money you stole.
Which money are you talking
The
about,
money
Papa?
you stole from my room.
Papa, wait. With all due respect. Why will you be so insulting me like this? No, why will you be insulting me like this? When did I start stealing money in this house?
Una keep quiet there and give up his money.
You're not the only person in this house who you will ask for your missing money.
And that is who?
That person is our one.
Who?
Ask him, let him first of all. Let him first of all remove that cap. Me? Let him remove that cap. The money might be hidden inside that cap. Who? That is your damn tip, Papa.
Okay. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Did you just ask me if I'm mad?
Are you calling me a thief?
Did you ask me if I'm mad?
Are you calling me a thief?
Are
you stupid?
I'm walking. Otono.
Give my money. Idiot, Sundoshi. Oh my God! If you finish fighting, you gonna provide my money.
My mind dey tell me say that guy know as he dey play for our side though.
Forget. You don't know anything.
Well, why they talk like this? I go talk say he don't know anything. This guy don't know anything. Why can't they ask us questions like say we won't collect visa? You don't forget say we don't get plenty encounter with this guy. My mind dey tell me say maybe you don't dey suspect in our house.
You too worry yourself. I'll tell you say you don't know anything. Even if you know self, you know if you do anything because we don't blood.
I'm saying they have yes now. Will be blood. Now they talk like say blood no they mess up blood. Why they talk? Okay, this house where they break for here. when they talk say road won't pass there. The person will get the house. The brother not being the local government chairman. Not being break the house.
Those people, their blood don't stain.
Their blood don't stain.
Are all still pure.
As the suspects, I be like, because they know they act normal for their family.
No, they're not good. Nothing that happened. Don't get that.
Even at that, I don't know how we and this guy can relate. You know they think like us. I don't understand. You know they do like us at all.
No, do like us.
Do like us.
How would they collect our money from that man?
You see, they go back to that topic. Which money will they collect? We not deliver now. The man say we not deliver the cargo alive.
Not our fault now. Police interfere for the matter.
It's still our fault that because we get agreement. Whether police interfere or not, we're not going to tell the man that one. So you won't come see one more go meet and say they give us balance. When the person die. See, Roland, which I just suggest say more come out mouth for that matter. I beg. This man we don't pay us more. They chop and small. They look ahead for another fresh business.
Oh, they watch now.
They look ahead. But this guy. I beg. Tell they allow this guy only at the enter
Fire everywhere. King is wandering. Trouble every day. Queen, baby girl. Onye bakaru kwalulwa. Obodo na chua. Onye nyulifa. Omuma osiebe webia. Yasotamusi. Ngwela biago lele. Ifane kubolo. No liturity, no surrender. Benda mokamna. Inaga choosing. Benda mokamna. Iga chumachu. Ngwela biago lele. Ifane kubolo. No liturity, no surrender. Benda mokamna. Inaga choosing. Benda mokamna. Iga chumachu.
Everyone settle down. Everyone settle down. Father, I greet you. On behalf of my twin brother here, Roland, and my humble self, Father, we present to you your new palace. Whoa, this magnificent building is yours. Father, you are a great king.
Yes.
Oh, you deserve the best.
Thank you, my son. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
What can I say? All I want to say is that people of Odumodu have great.
Yes.
We are proud of Odu. The entire Odumodu kingdom are proud of it. Because this palace is for everybody. Whatever you lay your hand in, prosper what that respect. I don't know what to say again. But all I'm saying is that the entire people of Odumodu, they are proud. Yes. And we declare this wonderful palace open in the name of our ancestors.
Father,
If I name Kubolo, no liturity, no surrender. Benda Mogamna, Inaga chosen. Benda Mogamna, Iga Chumachu. Ngwela Piago Lily, if I name Kubolo, no liturity, no surrender.
One is good. In fact, a poor man is a dead man. Onye jire ego ngolangu. Hi. That is why we will ensure that in this lifetime, one makes enough money.
My brother, say that again. Eh? Look at the mansion. And the first of its kind in this kingdom.
Oh. Eh? Now, our Igbo will be counted amongst the shakers and movers of the traditional setting of the Eastern region.
Oh, I'm very happy for the man.
Me too.
He has very wonderful children.
Yes.
Sons who can remember their father.
Oh.
They are very generous and kind even to our people.
After feeding us fat, they even
Okay.
They still find time to give us pocket money. In short, may the gods continue to bless them.
I want to specially thank both of you, my wonderful children. I am so happy for making me proud, for setting up this edifice for your father. It is wonderful. Do you know what it means? That means you people make me to stand out among my peers. I am so happy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my children.
Father, you don't need to be thanking us like that. We are your children, and you deserve everything that we do for you. You are a great man, a great king.
Thank you.
Everything that has come your way, you truly deserve it.
Father, you've been a wonderful father to us. You've been there for us. So tell us, Father, if we don't honor you in this life, who will?
In the grave? See, Father.
My son, what's that?
Everything you see now,
yes,
is just the tip of the iceberg.
Tip.
We have only started. Soon, we're going to build you another palace. I will change this your crown, this your seat, this whole of your palace. We'll change it.
It's okay. I want to say that the gods of our land will continue to protect both of you. There is something that I'm meaning to beg both of you.
Father, no. Father, don't beg us. You're not a beggar. You're a king. Kings don't beg, they decree. Father, just decree and it is done.
Thank you so much for that wonderful understanding. Okay. It's about my brother's children, your cousins, Victor and Walter.
What about them?
You see, their stay in this village is giving me serious concern. Because the way they go about roaming the entire village, doing all manner of funny things, I don't like it anymore. They are our family. We are one family. Yes. So if they are living that way, it means it's a shame to our family. So I want both of you to help them. Just to help them. That is what I'm asking for.
Father, listen, if you are talking about those boys, let them continue roaming. That's what they came to this world to do. Let them roam. Father, people aspire to go higher, not lower. I know we can't mingle with such people now. These guys are illiterate now. And
about our cousins, right?
Yes.
No, we will look into their matter. We'll look into their matter.
Okay, which means you are promising me now that you people, you are going to help them.
Yes, we will.
You want one nana, you want no. Harry, they should forget all those things, okay? Thank you very much for accepting to help them. Thank you very much.
What is happening here? What is happening? What is it? What is it? What is happening? Chimaze! 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 Oh my God! What is happening? My lord, you awake?
I could not find sleep.
I had a terrible nightmare.
You sure did? The way you checked up screaming, one would know that you had seen something horrible.
Yes, it is. I saw you. Yes, I saw you in the dream. I saw you.
What rubbish. Oh. Eh? So this is just a dream. Eh? So this is just a mere dream. Man, I must drive my car. I must drive my own car.
Which guy they talk about? Phil.
What did they happen?
Don't know that day.
I didn't know about
Man, you were no soft. If I tell you the kind of dream I dream now, man. You see the kind of car I drive for my dream, man? You see the kind of big Jeep I drive for that dream? Oh boy, no believe I must drive that Jeep. I must buy that Jeep, oh. This guy I won't be. I must drive that Jeep.
Pharaoh, my man. Pharaoh, see.
Me, Pharaoh must drive that Jeep. I must buy it.
Pharaoh, see. We be fine boys when we no get money. Now fuck up number one. Number two again, guy. Now just dream, you just dream. Understand? As a brother love, wake up for your dream. Forget any reason when you need reason.
See, person will never chop. They talk about driving Jeep for dream.
See you. We not get job. We not get money. The work when we do before, they don't sack us. So I don't see the reality in this.
See, man, guys, area don't tight. So they no fit send chicken give my mama with the village. There they talk about cat. I bet Pharaoh no provoke me this afternoon. Which level now?
See, guys, Zimba don't they approach. Understand? As they by the approach, so mama, children, old papa, they're based on us as we come. Normal giving. What will the reason? The more reason I will take gets from. That's all.
No be driving car.
No be. No reason but we need to go village with something. We need to go with something.
Guys, you don't do. See, too much talk. They make my father forget early morning mass. They make him forget to give first only communion. Guy, no play for Moscow. You don't understand? This one don't be shoot bad by my fly. Nobody they fly for this one. The matter where they ever say, what you go do to hammer before Xmas. What you go do?
Na my thought. Now the thing be say, what we go do, how we go take do am? Because the matter don't tire guy, man. You don't understand. Don't tire me. No yarn, abeg. No reason.
What be that?
Don't tire me.
What be that?
No reason.
What be that?
Guys, you don't do. You know what I know what you could do. I know what we will do.
You do? Now yes. Talk am.
Guys, you know now, the fact that we don't soft. Don't be safe, we don't know what you do. You understand? You know as it be now, the street is military. We need a military mind to survive the street. Come on, guys. Yeah, don't forget how we take old metal and iron way back.
The one carry us go back.
No be so. The spirit, the ginger, the vibrations in their body. You understand? So guys, we don't go allow this small kill them. You understand me? They make go and the soft. Why me? We men go come there, they observe. You know possible. Guys, the only way na metal and iron. The only iron of make us hammer before Xmas. We need to unleash back our iron by ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Do they understand?
Pero the ginger my spirit.
That's so. See. Now the metal. Pharaoh. Metal.
Pharaoh.
What?
Pharaoh, see. I know they disagree your word, child. What you talk so not legit. But the thing when the day be say, if you go run any matter, see we want run a normal matter, normal street things, more take collect for people and just once. After that once, Pharaoh. After that once, more we rest, more we retire.
Ah, now you dey talk like this Bosco, leave Bosco. Guy, you know say me, I don't like metal.
Big.
I don't like iron at all. I didn't like the sound. See, after this one, guys. I don't go do again. After this one, we'll quit. We'll press continue. So guy.
How you say?
And you came? Faster! Sounded like person where you so.
But you know say be worry boy now. I take the line now. I dey fear.
We shall be worried.
I beg you, you guy. Worry don't carry last.
We should last fire you there.
I mean boys don't die for worry.
Us sharing now. So wait, no one are chill down. We never talk finish. No be by gara. Now the question be say, how we go get the metal and the information? No be say that.
Papa boy, that police officer. You don't understand. For you.
Hey, my man.
No, you don't get as you want be to settle down. So that will be issue.
I used to think that Harry and Roland are ordinary guys who are doing well in business. I never knew that they were this super rich.
Victor, did you say super rich? That's an understatement. Victor, Prince Roland and Harry are wealthy. In fact, those guys are wealthier than the state governor.
Hey! Just imagine the amount of money those guys might have spent in building that edifice, that mansion, and just imagine how much they might be budgeting for the next Ofala festival.
Guys, see, me, I want to participate in the planning committee. No, I want to take my own part of the goodies. I don't think I'll kill myself now.
And me too. I will tell them I'm interested. They have to include my name on the list.
Right.
Even if it is palm wine getting arrangement.
You are very correct.
I want to be the chairman of the palm wine committee.
You are very correct. Guys, this life is too short. What?
Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, Papa. Papa, this one that we agreed to.
You two leave me alone.
See if anybody's holding him. You are the father of fools.
Papa, but you mean us before? Now fight.
Yeah,